Potyan Yaoba Chinjak Chabadagi Anouba Laina Makhal Chani Rom Hengatlakle HAINA Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. SAPAM RANJAN PHONGDORAKLI Health Department ki Food Safety Administration amasung Central Agriculture University Kaugi College of Food Technology Lamphel Pata Laiba College of Agriculture Kaugi Auditorium da Pangthokpa World Food Safety Day gi thorom da wafam asi phongdokladuna mahang hai ngasi malenggi oina pangthokliba Food Safety Day gi thorom asing asidi yamna maruoiba thorom ama oirakli aikoi miyoibana chariba chana thaknaba polamsing asida potyan kaya yansinba amadi hapchinba asina aikoi gi hakchangda asuki matik sokhali amromda chana thaknaba polamsing da kari potyan hapchinbagi haibagi matangda su Food Safety gi official singna yengsinba amadi check tawbagi thabak kana chathari Chinjak ta potyan yanbana aikoi gi hakchangda kaya yamda sokhanbagi haibagi matangda pak sanna khanganba awareness kaya pangthokpagi tangai fadaba lei yariba makhai chana thaknaba polamsing asi cheksinna yenglaga chagadabani haina sumahangna makata khi ngasigi thoramatu the Directorate of Health Services ki Director Dr. Osana Hanbi amadi Kaugi College of Food Technology ki Dean Professor NG Iboyai masu sarukya khi
We from the Health Department we have been making sure that food safety is being followed by all and the awareness of this food safety is spread across the nook and corner of our state. Huziki statistic tuna akoi pullaga safe and nutritious meals chaba haibase. I think it is our responsibility. Aduna akoi tasengna akoi handaki enusida even lainazi apik padagi also even for a simple diarrhea ising phatta bathau budagi diarrhea kino to budagi akoina charoi do chinjak food to the yauroi do pot yauram badagi right up to the cancer adu the magi range yengone just from kino dagi diarrhea amkhak to budagi the cancer bogi sigi in these two horizons of the illness sigi just spread away with this speaks volume. And the most important thing, it is not only us here in this auditorium that we should go back with more knowledge about food safety. We should try and spread it wide so that it reaches every people.